excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Let's make a sour chicken kebab. Step 1 to 1 pound chicken breast, cut into cubes. Step 2. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Step 3. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 2 tablespoons pomegranate juice. Step 4 to 1 cup chopped yellow onion. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 2 cloves garlic, smashed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 cup crushed walnuts. A pinch of dried basil. 1/2 cup chopped parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Wooden or metal skewers. Introduction. At Afsan Farm Media Production. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, yogurt, pomegranate juice, chopped onion, ginger paste, garlic, olive oil, ground cumin, crushed walnuts, dried basil, parsley, and salt. Add the chicken cubes and mix well to ensure the chicken is fully coated with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight for better flavor. 2. Skewer the chicken. Thread the marinated chicken cubes onto the skewers. 3. Cook the kebabs, preheat a grill or stovetop pan over medium heat. Grill the chicken skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally, until the chicken is fully cooked and slightly charred. 4. Serve hot, garnished with extra parsley or a side of your favorite dip. Enjoy your flavorful sour chicken kebabs. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you for watching.